Welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to share what is going to happen. Now, Sun has been moved into Scorpio. Sun stays in one zodiac sign for 1 month. So the transit took place on 16th of November. Sun is going to stay for 1 month in this particular zodiac sign. Next, Sun will transit into the Sagittarius around 15th of December. So this particular prediction is for the 1 month. This particular prediction has been taken on the basis of the Lagna and the moon sign. So the zodiac wise, I will be going to share you what will be going to happen in coming 1 month, what all remedies you should do to overcome the challenges, and what all things you have to take care of. If you have subscribed my channel, then thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. When Sun moves to the Scorpio, then there is an intense transformation which is going to take place. Intense transformation at the emotional level, as well as people will see ups and downs emotionally, problem being seen in their relationship, married life, and people may stuck in the office politics also during this time. People has to take care of their health also, especially the health related problem like gallbladder, digestive issues, issues related to like anemic, malnutrition. These all things you have to be little bit conscious during this time. And it is seen that people will be more irritated during this time. Anger issue, maybe fight between the family members, problems, fight in the office, are the possibility that can take place. So now you need to understand that what is going to happen with each zodiac sign. What is the impact of this particular transit on Aries? For you, Sun is entering into your 8th house. 8th house, which is a house of the transformation, which is a house of the sudden things happening. During this time, you have to control your emotions, work on the patience, and work on your communication also. You have to control your anger. You have to bring more balance and harmony in your life. You have to think before speaking something to someone, because it may hurt them. And the most important thing is that during this time you have to take care of your health, focus on your health, avoid eating junk food, exercise during this time, because this is not so good time for you. Health wise, you have to be conscious. To avoid the challenges during this time, you should donate jaggery to the needy. Coming Sunday, you can donate the jaggery to the needy, the day when you watch this video. It will help you out to overcome the challenge. Sign is Taurus, and for the Taurus people, Scorpio always sit in front of you. So this time, this particular transit is going to take place in your 7th house. 7th house, which is a house of the partnership, which is a house of the marriage, which is a house of the client associations also. So this particular time will not be so good time relationship wise, love relationship wise, marriage wise, and you have to be conscious in the client associations also during this time. There may be the ego clashes with your partner without any reasons, a fight with your partner, and it can be the fight with your colleagues and other relatives too. So you have to be conscious during this time. My suggestion to you is that you have to be a little bit calm, work with peace and harmony, don't take any impulsive decision, and control your anger during this time. To avoid the challenges, wear the white color clothes for coming 1 month, and try to offer water to Sun daily, and make sure you are waking up early in the morning for at least one. Zodiac sign is a Gemini. Gemini, this particular transit will be a positive transit for you. For you, Sun is going to sit in your 6th house in Scorpio. So during this time, it is a good time. You can complete your pending task during this time. If you are facing health related problem, then you are going to see an improvement in your health. Overall, any pending task, any to-do list you have, then try to complete during this time. If you are stuck in any legal case, then try to take more actions. You will be able to come out of it. If your money is stuck anywhere, then try to take actions. So this is a golden time for you. This is a good time for you. So when this type of transit took place and the time is in your favor, try to complete all your pending tasks during this time. You will be more energetic, you will be more disciplined, you will be more organized also during this time. To enhance your luck, try to offer water to the Sun daily. It will help. Sign is Cancer. For you, this particular transit is going to take place in your 5th house. So this is not so positive transit for you. You have to take care of your health, you have to take care of your relationship, and career wise also make sure that you are not taking your career for granted during this time. You have to be conscious while eating because you may face the digestive issues during this time, so you have to be conscious. To overcome the challenges and the troubles during this time, try to donate jaggery to the needy on Sunday. The day when you have watched this video, try to donate jaggery to the needy on Sunday. It will help you. Zodiac sign is Leo. For you, this particular transit is going to take place in your 4th house. So this is not so good transit for you. You have to take care of your health. You have to take care of your mother's health. Make sure that in the family you may face a problem, misunderstanding between the family members. So you have to be conscious, control your anger, irritation during this time. And to avoid the challenges during this time, try to chant Hanuman Chalisa daily 3 times. It will help you. For you, Sun transit is going to take place in your 3rd house. So this is a good transit for you. You will be more positive, more confidence in you, and you are going to see a lot of positive changes in your life during this time. It is seen that there is a possibility of a change of a place is also there, and you may travel also during this time. To enhance your luck, try to offer water to the sun. Libra, for you, this particular transit is going to take place in your 2nd house. You have to be conscious in your relationship, career. You have to take care of your health. Not only your health, you have to take care of your partner health also during this time. This is not so good time for you. To avoid the challenges, try to donate jaggery to the needy every Sunday for coming 1 month from the day you have watched this video. Scorpio, for you, this particular transit is going to take place in your 1st house. You may face problem like anger issues, frustrations, a relationship problem with your partner, with your relative. Not only this, you will be started burning your own self. You will be feeling like frustrated, low on energy during this time, and you may face the ego clashes also with your partner or the relative. To overcome the challenges, try to listen to Aditya Hriday Stotam every day for coming 1 month. It will help you. Aries, for you, Sun will sit in your 12th house. You are going to travel more during this time. You have to put more hard work to get the success during this time, and without any reason you will be feeling irritated and low on energy. So you have to be calm and try to work with peace and harmony. To overcome the challenges, try to offer water to sun daily, and if possible, try to donate jaggery to the needy on any Sunday. Capricorn people, Sun will sit in your 11th house. 11th house, which is a house of the manifestation, which is a house of profits too. So during this time, it is a good time for you. You are going to get new opportunities during this time. You will be going to get sudden money during this time. If you are looking for a job change, it's a good time. Take action. There is a high possibility you will be able to get the job. You will be able to change your job successfully. There is a yoke that you may get the sudden financial gains during this time. So this is actually a good transit for you, positive transit for you. Try to complete all your pending tasks, especially related to the finances during this time. To enhance your more luck, try to wear white color clothes for the coming month. For Aquarius people, this particular sun transit is going to take place in your 10th house. 10th house, which is a house of your career, which is a house of the karma also. So during this time, you are going to get success in your career. You may get new opportunities in your career, and there is a high possibility that you may start something new during this time. So try to work hard during this time. Luck will be your side. You may start something new. You may change a job. You may start a new job also during this time. To enhance your luck, offer water to sun. Pisces, this particular sun transit in Scorpio will not be so good for you. You have to be conscious. Take care of your father's health. You have to be conscious in your career also. Luck will not be so much your side. And if you are a student, that there may be the chances that there can a break in the education may come during this time. To avoid the challenges, try to donate jaggery to the needy on Sunday and listen to Aditya Hriday Stotam. It will help you a lot. If you still have any questions related to this transit, you can ask me on the comments. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your loved one. Thank you and have a great day.